Stop watching 40-hour tutorials. Seriously, just stop. You've been told that the only way to learn is to grind through a massive course, collect a certificate, and then you're ready. That is a lie. It's called tutorial hell. You feel like you're making progress, but the second you open a blank code editor, you freeze. I've spent years in software development and watched the industry shift. In 2026, the traditional way isn't just slow, it's obsolete. The top 1% of developers aren't grinding through outdated lectures. They're using a different system entirely. Today, I'm giving you the 2026 hybrid learning path. We are combining timeless CS fundamentals with the raw power of AI pair programming to help you learn 3x faster than any bootcamp. No more mindless copying. No more tutorial hell. Just a direct line from absolute beginner to job-ready engineer. You've seen the promise. Become a full-stack dev in 12 weeks. So you buy the course. You commit to the 40-hour masterclass. You follow every single step. Everything makes sense while the instructor is talking. You feel like you're winning. But then, you close the tab. You open a blank code editor. And you freeze. You don't know where to start. You don't know why the code works. You just know how to mimic. This is tutorial hell. It's a psychological trap. Your brain tricks you into thinking you're gaining a skill, but you're actually just practicing transcription. And here is the brutal truth. In 2026, this approach is a career death sentence. Companies aren't hiring tutorial followers. They aren't paying 6 figures for someone who can repeat a Udemy course. They want problem solvers. While you're spending 3 months memorizing syntax that an AI can now generate in 3 seconds, the industry has moved on. You're training for a game that isn't being played anymore. You aren't learning to code. You're learning to watch videos. And that is exactly why you're still stuck. Here is the truth. You don't need another certification. You don't need a 100-hour bootcamp. You need a system. Welcome to the 2026 hybrid learning path. Traditional courses teach you like it's 2010. They want you to watch a lecture, read a chapter, and then do a quiz. It's passive. It's boring. And it's why you forget everything the moment you close the tab. The hybrid path flips the script. It's 20% theory and 80% execution. Step 1. Stop studying and start building. Immediately. Pick a project. Not a to-do list. Something real. A personal finance tracker. A niche AI wrapper. A portfolio site. Now, instead of spending 3 weeks learning syntax, you dive straight into the deep end using an AI pair programmer. I recommend Cursor AI for this. It's not just an editor, it's your senior developer sitting next to you. But here is where 99% of beginners fail. They copy-paste. If you just hit tab to accept the AI's code, you aren't learning. You're just a glorified secretary. To master the craft, you must use active interrogation. Every time the AI suggests a block of code, you stop. You ask it, why did you use a map instead of an object here? Or, what is the time complexity of this function? This turns the AI from a cheat code into a one-on-one world-class tutor. You're getting the answer and the theory simultaneously. Now, you'll eventually hit a wall. A concept that the AI can't just explain away. Maybe it's pointers in C++ or the nuances of the DOM. This is the only time you go back to traditional courses. Instead of taking a 40-hour course on web development, you go to Udemy or Coursera to find the specific module on that one problem. You learn the theory to solve a problem you've already encountered in the real world. This is just-in-time learning. Traditional education is just-in-case learning. You learn things you * might need one day. The hybrid path is just in time. You learn it because you need it to make your app work right now. Asterisk. By combining the raw power of AI assistance with targeted CS fundamentals, you aren't just learning to code. You're learning to engineer. And that is how you move 3x faster than the person still stuck on chapter 1 of a 2022 tutorial. Now, to actually execute this hybrid path, you need the right stack. I highly recommend Cursor AI. It's not just a text editor, it's an AI pair programmer that understands your entire codebase. It kills tutorial hell because you're solving real problems in real time. For the CS fundamentals, the why behind the how, stick to curated paths on Udemy and Coursera. Pair those with ChatGPT Plus for deep diving into complex logic. This combination is the ultimate cheat code. When I shifted to this method, I stopped spending months on theory and started shipping production-ready apps in weeks. That is how you move from student to engineer. I've linked the exact tools and the fundamental courses I trust in the description below. Grab them, start building, and hit subscribe to master the 2026 tech landscape.